Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some indoor waterproof color changing string lights. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some indoor string lights from the company ADINC. And you guys can use these string lights to decorate your room, your Christmas trees, or you can use these string lights for parties and events to give a nice ambient kind of colorful glow. These string lights are actually color changing. There's actually 9 different modes that you guys can actually use and utilize with these string lights. But before we actually open up this box and take a look at these string lights, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you guys are new to our YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message if you need assistance or actually want to work with us. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this product, there will be links and also more product information down below in the description. Also, the link to purchase this product will be down below if you guys are interested in buying these string lights after we test them out. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, well, it's a box. So let's just proceed to actually unbox these string lights. So as you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, yep, it's just a box. So let's actually open up this box and see what's actually inside. You guys can see they do give a functional manual. I don't know if you guys can actually read that, but there is a functional manual telling you all the different functions that the remote has. We do get included with a remote control with 8 different modes, dim up, dim down, power on, power off, and also a timer. And then next up, I think these are just the string lights. So let's actually pull this out. And that's basically it for the packaging actually. So let me actually put this box off to the side. So this is how the string lights actually look like. I don't know if I said this earlier, but this string light is actually 66 feet long. So that's pretty long. You know, you guys can have these string lights extend basically very long is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is actually unwrap it and actually take a look at the string lights, all the individual LED bulbs. I think there's 200 LED lights in these string lights, and they don't include any replacement bulbs, but I'm guessing these string lights will last you for a decent amount of time if you don't use them constantly. But right now, what we're actually gonna do is actually move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So what we need to do is take this AC adapter plug and plug it into our power source. So what I'm going to do is actually just plug it in right here, but I kind of do need to wrap it a little more. And I do want to mention that these string lights are waterproof, but I'm pretty sure this white box is not, so do not submerge this part in water, but everything else is waterproof, even to this part. The plug, just make sure you protect it as well, but the string lights themselves are waterproof. So let me actually plug these in to our power source right here, and these might turn on. Let's see. So you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, oh wow, they just changed colors all of a sudden. Okay, so there's like actually different modes and effects that these string lights have. I am going to keep them bunched up for this video, but what I am going to do is actually turn off these lights so you guys can actually have a better viewing experience, and then we're going to test out all these different modes out. Okay, so I didn't turn off all the lights, but you guys can see I kind of dimmed most of the lights down, but you guys can see the string lights are pretty vibrant. What we're going to do now is actually just test out all the various modes. I think right now what it's doing is kind of going around changing to the different various modes that you can change it to, and the great thing thing about these string lights is they have a warm light feature, and then they also have that colorful feature embedded into one, and meaning that you don't have to buy the warm light separately, or if you wanted to get the colorful, you don't have to buy that separately. It's all included into one package, which is really ideal with these string lights. Alright, so let's actually proceed to test out these string lights. So let me actually what I just did was actually power it off, so I'm going to power it back on. And you guys can see this right here is actually mode number 1. Mode number 1 is actually just warm light. So you guys can see, actually no, it's not. It looks like it actually goes from warm light to the colorful, and then I'm pretty sure it goes back to the warm light. Yep. Oh, actually no, it looks like it mixes everything. I'm not exactly sure. Whoa, that's actually pretty cool. I'm not exactly sure what this mode does, but it looks like it's kind of a random effect kind of mode. Let's go to mode number 2. Mode number 2 looks like to be warm light, and let's see if it stays warm light. It looks like it's staying as warm light. So I think mode number 2 is just warm light purely. Number 3 would be, let's see, it looks like this one's just colorful and it's static. It doesn't do any like flickering or anything like that. Let's go to mode number 4. And you guys can see this is mode number 4. It looks like it's warm light, but it's just flickering. So basically it flickles, and then it goes insanely fast. And then it flickles, and then it goes insanely fast again. That's pretty cool. Mode number 6 looks like it's the same thing, but with the colorful one. Yep. So it's just the same thing as mode number 5, but with the colors now. Mode number 6. Let's see what mode 6 does. It looks like it goes from warm to colorful, warm to colorful, warm to colorful. Mode number 7 is, it looks like it kind of just twinkles with the warm and the colorful. You guys can see it looks really nice and vibrant. Wow. You guys can easily use this on your Christmas tree or use it to decorate your room easily. Looks really nice. Mode number 8. Looks like it's kind of similar to mode number 7, but it is a little bit different. It still does that kind of flickering thing, and then also kind of flips back and forth with the warm and the colorful. And then mode number 9, I should say, is it looks like it's just warm light that fades in and then fades out, and it goes to colorful, fades in, fades out, warm light, fades in, fades out, I should say, and then colorful, fades in, and fades out. And then with the remote control, I forgot to show you guys, these how the remote actually looks like. We do get a timer function with this remote. I don't know exactly what are the different lengths you can do for the timer. And then we also have a dim up button. Wow, so you're telling me we did not have this at the brightest? What? Holy cow. So when we were just testing all those features out, that was not the brightest. Holy cow, these are bright. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, I did not expect that. I really did not. Let me turn off the lights real quick for a brief second. So you guys can see no lights are on right now except for my laptop light. But you guys can see these string lights are surprisingly very bright. Whoa, if I did not dim up, we would not be able to see the brightest setting of these string lights. So these are actually a lot more brighter than I anticipated. So what we're going to do now is actually turn on the lights again. Alright, so I'm actually really impressed with how bright these LED string lights really are. I was not expecting it to be as bright when I dimmed it up, but it really did increase in brightness. But we are going to actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about these string lights from the company ADINC. I think that this is a fantastic string light to use to usually, to decorate your room for events or parties and stuff. You guys can even use this for Christmas or string lights, or have it on your patio or deck. It's just a really nice string light, honestly. It has a nice ambient glow and also just an ambient color with it. And especially when I increased the brightness, I was not expecting it to go that bright. But it honestly looks really, really nice. Like, I can honestly use this, just kind of wrap my whole room around. And obviously, as I have it bunched up, it does look like it's small, but trust me, like, once you guys actually unwrap this, you will have a lot of distance and area to cover with, because this is 66 feet long. So you guys can use these string lights to cover a pretty decent amount of space and distance. But anyways, what we are going to do now is kind of wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you're new to our YouTube channel. If you guys did enjoy this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. Have any questions or concerns about the string lights, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message if you need assistance or want to actually work with us. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out these string lights or actually purchase these string lights, there will be a product link and also information down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also the link to purchase it if you guys are interested in buying these string lights. But anyways, honestly, I'm really impressed with these string lights. Even the cost of them, they're really cheap, you know, and surprisingly, they're really bright and actually really functional. For the price, I'm actually really surprised. And also the distance, like I was saying earlier, 66 feet is a lot of distance to cover with these string lights. So you guys can use this, like for instance, in my room, I could wrap around these string lights at least twice with 66 feet. So you can cover up a lot of area with the string lights. But anyways, what we're going to do now is kind of end off this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.